All right, guys, thanks for joining in. Appreciate that. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Today we have a very special package. Today we're going to be unboxing a very special device. This was sent to me by IVANKY. So without any further ado, let's get into it and see what's in the box. So while I was doing this, I posted my video. I received an email from this company, IVANKY, to review their product. So let's see what's in the box and then go from there. All right, here we go, guys. So this is the stuff right here, guys. So it's called FUSIONDOCK Pro 1 Plus, and so designed for Mac OS, and it's supposed to be for Mac. And as you can see, it's from the IVANKY. This is the name of the company, IVANKY, guys. So let's quickly get into it and then see how it performs. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy. See what's inside the box. All right. So apparently this, as you can see right here, it has the power, the USB, two USB 3.0, SD card, headphone jack, power button, and then so it can be powered by both the Thunderbolt or the USB-C and the DC power. It has a LAN, it has a USB-A, HDMI. So it's a docking station for MacBook, and apparently, like I said, it looks pretty good. And let's see. All right, cool. Oh, nice packing, guys. So before we look into it, there's a quick manual right here to get started and set it up. Then there's a book right here for troubleshooting and all that. And then inside, oh wow, this is heavy. Let's see what we got in here. Oh wow, that's a huge brick right here, guys. This is a power supply. This is huge. This is pretty heavy, actually, right here. All right, so let's see what we got in the box right here. So I've been using different docking stations. Never used this one before, so this will be an interesting one. But as you can see right here, this is the star of the show right here, guys. And if you can see, these are the different ports inside. We got the HDMI port, 1 to 3 HDMIs, 2 USB, 10 gigabyte. Okay, that's pretty cool. LAN line for the internet connection and your DC power. And then in the front, you got this Thunderbolt, USB 10 gigabyte, again, the front, 2 USB, headphone jack, and the power button. So pretty cool, guys. Check it out. I'm going to be testing this out and then let you guys know how this performs. Looks pretty cool to me. Very slick feel. The device, feels pretty good, actually. And there's a lock button, lock lock port over here if you want to lock your device with the port. And then there is this another, seems like a USB-C for the computer. So yeah, pretty cool, guys. Once again, thank you, IVANKY, for sending me this out. I'm going to be testing this product out with my M3 and other devices. Seems like it has an HDMI to, so I'll try to see if I can connect the MacBook along with the other devices as well. So with multiple monitors. So and see how it goes. I have an iMac, I have a MacBook 3, and so I should be able to connect both the devices with that. So with that, guys, let me know if there's any questions in the comments. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.